Hey everybody, how you all doing? So I just read an article on The Verge regarding ChromeOS. So apparently now ChromeOS is going to be running on tablets. This one particular device is made by Acer, and it's a 10-inch tablet, and it's made to directly compete with the cheaper iPad that is going to be announced soon. I find it quite interesting considering that we already have Android tablets, and most Android tablets can be pretty cheap. So we'll see what Google's strategy is here with releasing a ChromeOS tablet. More than likely, we think it's going to be something that's going to compete with Apple regarding putting these type of devices in schools or in other types of environments where education is involved. It appears that Apple wants to go after that market. And of course, that market right now is either dominated by Microsoft or more recently by ChromeOS devices made by Google. So with this release of a cheaper tablet, Apple may be trying to get into that market, or at least take a small chunk out of it from Microsoft and Google. And this seems to be the reason why Google is now releasing this ChromeOS tablet. Again, not sure why, considering that we have Android tablets already. But we'll just have to wait and see what that means. I kind of feel bad for Android on the tablet, but we'll just have to wait and see what it all means. So last week, I stumbled upon an interesting little problem. I wanted to show someone how to do something on a web page, but make sure that they did it correctly, and in order to do that, I needed to basically explain anywhere around 10 to 14 steps. Now, you may be thinking, well, it's pretty crazy, like why would you even be trying to do that, blah, 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 but I needed to do it, and I started drafting up this email, and I realized this email was like 10 paragraphs long. Well, not 10 paragraphs long, but it was really long. It was a really long email, and I knew when the person was going to read it was going to be really confused, and wasn't going to understand my instructions because they're not as technical as I am, and I was trying to write this email in a way that wasn't too technical and was more user-friendly, but I just knew it wasn't going to work. So I needed to find a way to basically record my desktop and then send this video out so this person can see it. Now, there's a lot of great open source tools out there. One in particular, Open Broadcast Systems, can easily do this for you. Can record your desktop and can record you in a webcam, this and that, and then you can post that somewhere on YouTube and then share that video out to someone. But I found a much easier solution. I found an app called Loom. So Loom, when it works, is a Chrome extension, and it only works in Chrome so far. But if you go install this Chrome extension, and basically what it does, it just records the web browser, whatever session you're in, it records it, and it allows you to record your webcam as well, so like you can do basically a screencast. And it's the most simplest way to do a screencast. Again, there's plenty of softwares out there that can do that, but this one was so straightforward and so simple. What the coolest thing about it, Loom, was is that basically after you're done recording, it saves the video for you, and it automatically creates a link for you to be able to share it. And it does so many cool other little things when you share this video, like timestamping and things like that. It allows you to see how many times a person has seen the video, so you can actually see whether or not someone sees your video, and you can ask them hey, have you seen the video or not? I can tell you haven't, so why don't you take a look at it? So yeah, go ahead and check out Loom. It's basically the URL for that is useloom.com, and it's a great tool. I found a great use out of it. It spared me having to write that long ass email that I had to write, and I'm sure the person, when they saw it, they saw the video, they were able to do what I wanted them to do super easily and effectively. So useloom.com, go check it out. I highly recommend it. So recently, I started rewatching Mr. Robot. Now you may be wondering, why exactly am I rewatching Mr. Robot Season 1? I'll tell you why. 'Cause it's freaking amazing, that's why. You should watch it too. If you watch it again, let me know what you think. Let me know what episode you're on. Isn't it such a great show? I think it's a great show. I don't know, I'm rewatching it. It's cool. It's awesome. You should watch it too. Alright, thank you everybody for listening to Monday Surprise. Be sure to go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Tacos and Linux, so you can go check out some more stuff that I'm doing there. If you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. And be sure to hit the notification button so you can be notified whenever I upload more videos. If you're listening to this on Anchor, go ahead and send me a call. Tell me what you're thinking. If you're on Facebook, you can also follow me there at Tacos and Linux. And I think that covers everything. But yeah, thanks for listening.
The podcast you just heard was recorded with Anchor. If you want to make your own, download the Android or iOS app completely free from anchor.fm/podcast. That's anchor.fm/podcast.